Well, good morning, Vlogmas day 19. Okay, today is the day. I'm going to the dentist. I've got my orthodontist appointment first. They're going to take my bumps off to kind of finish my aligner journey. And then I get my polish and everything. So I am so excited. I'm wearing my newly made, I'm going to call it a Christmas jumper because it's December, but if you saw me in January, I'd be like, no, it's not a Christmas jumper. Yeah, just really pleased. But apart from that, today is a real pajama-y day. It is unbelievably rainy outside, so we're not going to be doing much outdoor activities. Bee's just playing and having a lovely time. And yeah, I'll be off to the dentist soon, so I will see you there. I'm really pleased that I brought this with us because this is such a lovely thing that Bee can do. Yeah.
Do some people have presents on trees?
Yeah, if they're small. Big presents normally go under trees, but small presents can go on trees.
But how could they open them then?
Yeah, you're right. It's a very good question. I guess they're there more for show, and then they would take them down and open them. Oh.
Let's see.
Show me.
Yeah.
Hey.
Good.
Okay guys, I'm back from the dentist. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Yes, my darling, I'm just filming for Vlogmas. Bee's been amazing with my sisters. Yay, the pizza is ready. So let's have our yummy pizza. Bee and I are having a lovely pizza.
You can see it if you want.
Yeah, shall we get them to bring it and see it? Okay, you ready? Look how yummy our pizza is. I'm not going to burn this one, guys. Oh, it's bacon, mushroom and cheese. Mmm. Are you a bit hungry, little monkey?
Wait, I got them to see my eye.
Oh, sorry. I need to see your eye. That's a nice thing to see.
So you know my eyes are brown.
Like mine.
We both have brown eyes.
I love you. Bee's trying to get Leela to get the clue for her and take it behind the curtain. Now this is very covert operations going on. What are you two up to?
We're just having a chat about lunch. Yeah. Is that right? Yes.
Right, Leela, what day is it, please? Bee, what day?
Tuesday.
What night? What? Oh, the 19th, exactly. Gosh, she's very quick sometimes at that. Go on
Let's
then.
have a look as well.
This is very little writing. No, this.
There might be typing on the other side, but yours is written in black ink. Right. is one of my best clues, B. I hope you're ready. It has taken a theme and it's run with it. On the 19th of December. Another day, another family. What's that hiding in the tree? Yes, that one, that one. There are 3. And they can't wait to meet you, B. It's good rhyming, isn't it? Okay, to the tree. 1. Oh. 2. Oh, he's falling again. 3. It's the other half of the rabbit family that you got yesterday. Oi, dog, stop ruining the moment.
Why does he not have any clothes?
Because you said to me this morning, can I get a sommelier with no clothes on, please? Did you say?
I got an oven for you.
Have you? She just said, have I got an apple for you? Have I got news for you? Okay, we've got clues next.
Okay, good.
Okay, all right. Okay, you read them to us.
We were Daddy and Mummy.
Okay,
Oh,
thank you.
wonderful.
I can
There
film.
you go.
I can film.
Oh, you film us. Right, okay. Oh, okay, all right. Okay. Well, let me just turn. Okay, go on then. It's going to be flattering from that angle.
Oh, God.
Okay, so my clue is Bonjour status service name, Microsoft Web Services, WS Discovery. What's yours?
Enabled HPMV 5640 series. Enabled, not specified, off.
Oh, I don't think we're ever going to find what we're looking for. Leela, what was your clue?
Oh, I forgot to read it.
Oh, hang on.
She's here.
Yes.
There's a bell. You're waiting for it. Bye. I forgot to hide the bell. No.
Lily.
Okay. Read it. So you're a pig.
Clue.
Where your clue is by the front door.
Oh.
Something from Santa's.
Oh, look, she's heard. She's like, okay, come on. By the front door.
But it's something you heard in your ear.
Oh.
Something got tingles by the front door. It's there.
Come on then, Leela. Let's see what your advent gift is. She's like, if it's not edible, I'm going to be very annoyed. No, Leela, that's not by the front door. Didn't you listen to your clue? Leela! All right, guys. Oh, it's a bit dimly lit, but I just wanted to say good night. I am honestly so happy with my teeth. I can't stop looking at them. Stephen is back having his supper. We're about to watch Elf, which we recorded on the TV, so we've only got like an hour of it. But we know it too well, it's fine. And I will edit Vlogmas, and I will see you for day 20, people. Day 20 tomorrow. Can you believe it? See you then. Lots of love. Bye. I just want to